Yung issue about yung Supreme Court not saying anything about the TRO. So habang wala pang ginagawang response about the TRO and asking for comments, is it deemed that you can still arrest Senator Bato pending a decision regarding the TRO?
Yes, that is utterly correct. Hanggat walang temporary restraining order or temporary protection order, ang Korte Suprema na ini-issue, the valid warrant of arrest against Bato can be validly implemented by the authorized officers.
But having said that, can the Supreme Court actually stop the enforcement of an ICC warrant or arrest warrant through TRO? Say for example, magkaroon na nga ng desisyon ng Korte Suprema regarding this.
In my humble opinion, the Supreme Court, if it, for example, issues a temporary restraining order, of course, that is only for a momentary period, right? Or a temporary period. In the end, deciding on the merits of the petition to prevent the warrant of arrest to be issued to Bato, walang magagawa ang Korte Suprema. Dahil ang Korte Suprema, dapat ang pinapatupad nito ay ang saligang batas ng ating konstitusyon. At nakalagay sa ating konstitusyon na ina-adapt ng ating bansa ang mga generally accepted principles of international law. Kasama na dito ang mga tratado natin sa ibang bansa. At ito ay parte ng ating batas. So I know that the Supreme Court is brilliant enough not to violate the Constitution and not to violate their own decision. Dahil sinabi na nila sa Pangilinan versus Cayetano na may jurisdiksyon pa rin ang ICC sa mga di umano'y naganap na krimen sa Pilipinas, crimes against humanity, up to March 17, 2019. Korte Suprema mismo ang nagsabi na may jurisdiksyon ang ICC sa Pilipinas up to that date.
Well, medyo nagkakaroon nga ng mga mali-maling or mga conflicting messaging mula sa executive also. During the speech of President, parang sinabi pa niya doon na wala kaming kinalaman dito, there's no arrest warrant. If the President said that himself, ibig po bang sabihin natin, pwede nating sabihin na, well, he is free to go kung wala naman palang arrest warrant?
Well, even if the President states na hindi utos ng Malacanang ang pagpapaaresto or attempt to arrest Senator Bato, well, actually, it is the President's duty, right? To be fair, President BBM as the apex of the executive department, ang pinaka-primordial duty ng isang presidente ay siguraduhin that all laws are faithfully executed. So instead of denying, of course, it is the president's right kung hindi naman talaga niya inutos. But in my opinion, it is high time for him to categorically declare whether or not he will also perform his duty to effectuate or implement the laws. Yan kasi ang isang kapangyarihan ng presidente at actually tungkulin ng presidente. I-make sure mo na naipapasatupad ang mga batas.
I think kasi at this point, Attorney, I think several lawmakers and the executive, they're very sensitive to public sentiment or the optics of this entire scenario. But